How to fix Modern Warfare 2 error 14515 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If you encounter login problems while playing Call of Duty, it's crucial to start by checking the status of the game's server. Websites like Down Detector or the official Activision Twitter account offer timely updates on any server disruptions. Windows comes with built-in troubleshooting tools that can detect and fix common Internet issues automatically. Corrupted or missing game files can cause errors. Most game launchers provide an option to verify and repair the game files. Right-click on the game and select Properties. On the left side, pick Local Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait till the process is finished. A simple reset of your modem and router can refresh your connection and solve minor glitches. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, using a different DNS can enhance your internet connection and resolve issues related to specific servers. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties below. Preferred DNS Server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS Server, 8.8.4.4. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.